We can add other objects to the pages of our stories beyond the charts, tables, and maps that display our data. When working with responsive pages, we need to select the lane to which we want to add the new item, and then add objects to our page, such as images, shapes, and text. First, we'll add a logo image. We can upload local image files here. Once uploaded, the image is saved as part of the story definition and is available to be added to other pages. The image is added to the lane or page at the full size of the original file, wherever there's space. From here, we can move or resize the widget. Note that we can copy the widget to another page, add a comment, or delete it. We can also enable the widget for mobile support, set up a hyperlink, which is covered in a separate video, or open the styling objects for the widget. The styling options vary based on the type of object added to the page. For an image, we can adjust the background of the widget, apply a border, or adjust how the image is displayed within the parameters of the widget. Next, we'll add a title to the page. Note that for responsive lanes, we can also add a header to the lane, which is similar to a text object, but is anchored at the top of the lane. We'll enter our title and open the Styling tab again. As with the logo, we can change the background or border for the widget. We can also adjust the font, size, color, style, alignment, and so on for the text. We can also set up dynamic text, which is covered in a separate video. We'll resize the text widget to fill in the rest of the lane. We can also add shapes to our pages. Basic shapes such as lines, circles, and rectangles can be added to create sections on the page. More complex pictograms are also available to add visual interest. We can navigate between categories or scroll through the available list. We can also add custom shapes based on local SVG files. On responsive pages, images, text, and shapes can only occupy empty space in a lane. However, on Canvas pages, when we add extra objects, we can overlap them on the page. Thanks for watching.